Welcome back to my daily analysis videos on Monday the 25th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antic Markets. Looking at Dolly Yen, we had that strong bullish candle on Friday. It was driven by a fundamental bit of news flow that apparently the BOJ are looking to do negative interest rates on loans. And the market took that as a trigger to sell the yen, and a big strong bull candle actually, one of the biggest in several months, really, and it sort of has completely turned around this outlook near term. Whether it actually is a sustainable move for the medium term remains to be seen, because you'd still say you've got this sequence of sort of lower highs intact. Obviously we have actually now completed that base pattern target. That base pattern gave us a target of 1160, and 1180 was high. 1190 was the overnight high today. Before we've seen a bit of a pullback, and that I think to make today's candle is an important one, because if it pulls back towards 11 figure and uses that as the basis of support, that's a pretty positive move, I think, because 11 figure was obviously the base of this old trading band. If that continues to remain in support, and it is holding for now, I'll show you on the hourly chart. It's had several looks at it, and it is holding. 3 occasions this morning alone, it's had 11 figure pretty much on the nail, and come higher. So it is still looking at that level near term, and if it holds on to that level, that's a positive move. But if it breaks it, and I think if it closes below 11 figure, arguably if it closes below that reaction at 1065, you could argue that that is a pretty negative sort of reaction to this breakout, because obviously what you want to see is a consolidation. Once you've seen a big strong breakout, you want to see a decisive move being sort of confirmed by the market, and if it starts to retrace, then obviously that's the market not really accepting that new move, and we could start to see the yen buyers pulling back into this market, and then that would sort of drag dollar yen lower once more. Now you've got the neckline of that move at 109.75, neckline of that base pattern. But just for now, we're holding on to the gains, and obviously the momentum indicators are now much more positively configured, aren't they? Hourly RSI, if that can hold above 40, MACD lines, if they can hold above neutral. So a couple of things there to watch out for, but certainly I think holding on to 111 figure is a positive at the moment, but will it continue is the question. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.